Hello, my name is Lilly. I'm going to teach you about nature. Hi, I'm from Spencer, and in Spencer we climb trees. I'm going to show you all how to climb a tree. Oh, it's pretty sticky back here. This is a nice one.
Don't get sap in your eye.
That's a nice tree. It's just nice, beautiful. Nice tree. Oh, goodness. This here's a nice, it's gonna break. This is a nice tree.
That's not like sturdy at all.
I know, it's gonna break. This is how you climb trees. All you city folks don't know how to climb trees because you use elevators. This is how we climb trees. It's gonna break. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Help me. Help me. Help me. Fire truck.
Earthquake.
It's gonna break. Earthquake. Tree. Tree. You see that up there? That's a city tree. You see it? I'm gonna climb that tree one day. Yes, sir. I'm gonna teach you city people about rocks. This here is a rock. You gotta feel the rock. Feel it, feel it. You gotta be in one with the rock. You got to love the rock, cause it's a rock. It's big, it's hard, it's a rock. You gotta love it. Yes, rock. Feel the grass. Feel the grass. Oh, the grass. See that over there? That's an albino coyote. They got sharp teeth that go.